In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Minecraft shaders widescreen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are trying to use shaders when playing Minecraft and you are having trouble getting them to work, either because you are getting a widescreen or a black screen or any sort of crash, and they aren't working, follow these instructions and you will be able to address this. As you can see, if you want to pause to check, I am using an AMD GPU and AMD CPU, and I'm able to run shaders without too much issue. I'm running them at 120 FPS, and you can clearly see that everything is working. I can render a lot of the world, and I'll be able to play. So if they aren't working for you, the very first thing that I would recommend is checking the version that you have installed. So usually shaders will require either something like Sodium and Iris or Optifine. You should never use them together. Choose one of them, and if you go over to the shader packs option, you will see the version at the bottom left. So I have Iris 1.8.0 and Minecraft 1.21.1. If you mismatch the versions of Iris or Optifine and you download the wrong one, then you will encounter problems. This is why it's very important that you always check the version that you are trying to use and you see if they are compatible. So download either the latest release or browse through all of the versions and download the corresponding one. With this done, the next thing to update are your graphics drivers. As you might be aware, shader packs require a strong graphics card. Of course, your CPU is also going to be used, but mainly a lot of stress will be put on your graphics card. If you don't know which graphics card you have, right-click the Windows icon, go to Device Manager, and in here under Display Adapters, you will be able to see it. So I have an AMD GPU. I believe most people will have NVIDIA. So, if you have an NVIDIA or AMD GPU, go over to their websites to download the drivers. Go to nvidia.com and click on drivers, as you can see over here at the top, and the same can be done for AMD. If you have something like integrated graphics, then sadly, you will not be able to run shaders. Integrated graphics aren't that powerful, and unless you have a very strong dedicated CPU with integrated graphics, you will run into issues. But if you have a dedicated GPU like this, you simply have to look for your model. So I have an RX 7000 7900 XTX. And for you, you might have something like NVIDIA GeForce 50 or 40 series, and then you download the drivers for your corresponding model. Always updating the drivers is a good practice, and it will fix issues related to shaders and other games. The last thing to update are the shaders themselves. Shaders also have versions, and as you can see, they will be compatible with different versions of the game. So always keep them up to date. If you are running an older version of Minecraft, you need to download the older versions as well. So I am on 1.21, so just download the latest one. But if you are playing something older, it's always important to check if they have compatibility issues. Usually the creator of the shader will let you know. So always download the corresponding version, and the last thing that I would recommend is to go over to the shader pack settings here and lower the profile. Try running it on the lowest available, then bump it up until eventually you are able to run. And if you notice that any of these profiles give you issues, then just go back to the previous one and try to change individual settings to figure out what is giving you trouble. As long as you are able to run it at a stable profile and you are satisfied with the results, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Minecraft shader packs widescreen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.